Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. So in this tutorial, let's take a look at how we can hire a freelancer using our Fiverr account. For example, if you want to explore the Fiverr platform, you can always scroll down to find the support section and check out the trust and safety area. It's essential to get to know your sellers, which can be quite easy. The application provides a lot of information to help you make informed decisions when hiring a freelancer. First, we want to go into the home section where it says, "What service are you looking for today?" Let's say I want to look for Twitch emotes. As you can see, there are several freelancers specialized in this area. The pricing varies, with options under $15 and above. One thing to keep in mind is Fiverr's choice, which highlights services that people love for superb work and delivery. The application will recommend these sellers to you. For instance, if I click on a seller who offers custom Twitch emote sub-badges, I can see the pricing. $10 per emote for the basic package, with options for standard and premium packages that include multiple emotes. You can also contact the seller directly if you have questions, and the application allows you to see the seller's portfolio and reviews, which can help you gauge their quality of service. Scroll down to see what others have said about the seller, including feedback on service excellence and communication. It's also useful to check the details about the gig. For example, one seller has completed over 24,000 orders, which is impressive. If you're convinced that this seller is a good fit, you can proceed to select the package you want to buy. You'll be asked how often you need the order, and if you're okay with a single order, you can continue to the checkout. At checkout, you'll need to add your credit or debit card information to make the payment. The price will be converted to your local currency. I recommend contacting the freelancer before finalizing your payment to clarify any details about your order. Good communication with the freelancer is crucial. They may ask for specific details about your order, and it's important to be clear about what you're looking for. This can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure a smoother process. Once you've hired the freelancer, you can communicate with them about the project anytime. If you have concerns about safety or protection, you can check out Fiverr's support articles for guidance. You will receive more guidelines and links based on your choices in the description box of this video. Feel free to comment on what is in your mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more about the Fiverr application. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.